Guys, good afternoon. Today, this is my first long video that I will post later, okay? Just watch this, guys. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Kuya Tokits Vlog. Baby! Madi! Madi! Hey, where are you going?
Hello.
What are you doing? What is that?
I face like a bookie city.
What?
A funky.
Look at that, guys. Look what she's doing to my face. She's squishing my face, like that, oh. What are you doing, baby? Ah! You're squishing my face.
Sorry, I crazy come.
Where's the other guy?
Crazy.
Who's crazy?
Mommy, there, crazy come.
Yeah, she's my beautiful niece. She's my beautiful daughter. What are you doing? You say it to our audience, to our viewers. Aray ko, anak. Aray ko. Where's your friend?
Mommy, there, crazy come.
Where are your friends? Where are they going? Where they go? Baby, where are your friends?
Why? Crazy come. Mommy, they are crazy come.
She's super kulit, guys. She's super bibo. What do you call this in Tagalog? She's bibo. Yan. Nagbibideo ako.
Daddy's crazy.
No, why? No, I'm not crazy. Who told you that?
Si Ate yan.
What?
Si Ate yan.
No, I'm not crazy.
Crazy
I'm just a pogi, okay?
Poke.
That's bad, pogi. Pogi only, okay?
Pogi.
Pogi, ge.
Why not looking at the screen?
Sino? Whom? Oh. May you see your teeth? Show your teeth. Show your teeth to them. Wow, what is that? What is that in your teeth?
What?
May you see? See your teeth? Madi, are you going? They're going to the beach. Bye. And guys, bye. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe guys sa aking channel ng Kuya Tokits Vlog. Yan, yun yung makulit kong pamangkin guys. Napakakulit, napaka-cute. See you later. Bye-bye.